Kublai pi baro yang pedang subahai pi syakatuk kubur mentagajan miat syuban pas ki kubur ki berbenya ini pechwai kimat berkongsan. Betah Menteri yang ketenat kam yadari ban pelat ia kesien siu ke balai jong ke Orop Hashwa ke Diwali. On penkelai ke fish deal mar persyak ke St. Edmunds ke Aqua Park ong uba Ailhek. Pelong Jingshong Kelany Mengor ke North East Students Organisation Hamadan Fire Brigade Shillong. Pelong ke Tenat Kam Karkhanarit ya ke National SC/ST Hub Mega Conclave. Bat itu ke World Health Organisation ya ke Jingla ke India ben penduna ke Jingdon Kinong Pang TB dekat Rio nak Shispa bat dah ke Jingyap dah kat Prana ke Shispa. Kubur ki berbenya. Menteri ketenat ki kam yadari Rajnath Singh ula betha e ketenat ban pelat ya ke sien siu ke balai jong ke one rank one pension lani Orop. Kini kerai kan penmentor ya ki nung yo baibam ketenat yadari ban yo e ke baibam lemba ka sparsh system. Hashwa ke Diwali ha ka jingtho ha ka rensan la pathai using ula ong bala betha ru ya ki jaka kan show lembat ki wei ketenat trekam ban bot ya ke tei ke ju ke jing betha na ke benta baro ki nung yo baibam ketenat yadari. Menteri Sorkar ke Jela uba Ailhek ula ong ba on sapan kelano ya ke fish deal ke badon mar persyak ke St. Edmunds ya ke Aqua Park haba keren syikela patai kubur uba hek ula ong ba on penkelai ke fish deal sya ke kenja jaka bu dok ha ne aquarium na ke benta ke nong wan jungok kai perthai bat nong wan pet kai kumju ula ong ba baro kindon lai teliki Aqua Park ke kiban sapan yang hapo ke Jela.
Before I discuss with the new secretary about a few schemes which is very priority to be taken it up. One is the fish deal here in Shillong to make a integrated with tourism for aquarium, aqua park. Then two is in Boilambam, three is in Umsling area. One fish deal, it is the area called fish deal area, here just opposite to St. Edmunds, where we are going to make aqua park, the aquarium kind of things in this fish deal.
Kum kadak ban pen I ya ka jing Italy bat ka Manipur bat ka jing Persya e ka jing long kuman ke Sorka Pedeng halo kimat ki bakta e ka Jela ke Meghalaya. Haringkat kiwei ki Jela ka than syatila mingi ki le shim benta syat rem ha ka tei ka jing Shong Kelany Mengor. Ya ka tei ka jing Shong Kelany Mengor la pelong da ka North East Students Organisation la Nesu Hamadan Fire Brigade Shillong. Uba Samuel Jarwa Shong Kenor ka Nesu lalam kmat ya ka tei ka jing yakhi ha ka jing don lang ki kenhun seng beper ki seng samla ba ki tu ki bedon ka jing snokya. Uba Jarwa ula banjur ba ka seng na ka por ka por ka layai kentu ka Sorka Pedeng ban shimkhya no kloi ki mat ha be dei ba ka jing ja ha Manipur lingba ki jing yakhi beper henrei wat la ka ta ka Sorka ka la le mat la bat kelut ya ki jing kerpat jongki.
The government of India should take the initiative to bring about a permanent peace in the state of Manipur. They should call all the parties to the negotiating table and start a dialogue so that an early solution which is agreeable to all the stakeholders of the state of Manipur can be reached so that peace can once again prevail in the state of Manipur. And if the government of India still delays to take the initiative, it only proves that the government of India is not interested in the welfare of the indigenous peoples of the Northeast in general and the indigenous peoples of Manipur in particular, but it's only interested in its land and its resources. And this will only further alienate the indigenous peoples of the Northeast from the mainland of India.
Kumshi benta ban ai mensiam hakaliang ka sengkam sengjam hapo ke jela ketenat kikam ka khanarit ke soka India kala pelong ya ka National SC/ST Hub lane NSSH mega conclave hanong ba hakasni pelai ka jing tmu jong katei ka jingelang ka long ban pen saphyang jing tep halo ka scheme NSSH lem bat kiwe ki scheme jong ketenat aba ai jingkren ha ka jingelang usong knor ka Meghalaya Industries Development Corporation u James PK Sangma ula kadawi ka benta ba kongsan jong ka jingelang ban kit khia ha ba phai shi ka mensiang sengkam sengjam ki jaj bandeu SC/ST jong ka Meghalaya bat shabar kumju aba pen sngowe ka jinga lenti ha ka jing sengkam lajong ka kong kenjai ar mautho trai ka Tripura Sunrise Production Mali Shillong ka layasam ya ka khana baha ka basdang lasdang shwa da ka sabon ban tetkti bat suki la penmi saya ka sabon ka bala pendon kam lang bat ka penyang
that we are as MIDC, as the Meghalaya Industrial Development Corporation, we are undertaking this exercise to bring about more financial literacy right down to the grassroots, right down to the village levels, where we will be not, expecting people to come forward, but on the contrary, we will be reaching out to our entrepreneurs, to young budding individuals who want to partake in the economy. So let's work together is what I would like to say today, to build an inclusive economic landscape where the SC/ST entrepreneurs are not just participants, not just job seekers, but job creators, but also the leading contributors to our nation's prosperity.
Yeah, this is Kinjai Mautho. This unit we have started in 2014. From the CIC, I received the scheme. When I started, I got the PMEGP loan from them, and then gradually I participated in competition and I won the E-Championship Challenge Chief Minister Award in 2018. So from there also I got support to procure machineries. So that was all the support, and yes, of course they help us with the exhibition to display our products and all like that, sir.
Ka Confederation of Riboy People la nekop kala shim ya ka senjam ka bay ba ka jing mene penne pensa ya ka mariang hadian makalabu ka jing ujor hakmat additional deputy commissioner ka riboy ha ka singi balang katei ka jing ujor ka dei halo ka jing penyak pathar ya ki do wa hawa siang hapo ka jing elam u president uba bandari rentathiang ka kenhun ka kop ka bakentup ya ki dekhot ka lei kendu yau ADC u Raja Brahma Hagatei ka jingelang kila ujor badai ban pensitom mador persya ikitu ki badon kti hagatei ka kam hakawei kaliang ka balala ban lamru sha ka jingdu jat jongkido dawa
Inong shodo kendon ha babun gi jaka tela da kitrash nong gi ailat kin shodo andri bru banawar kinwan ban kawang bom nilai kundu yai project director ba Raja Brahma tiru ila simkya ban phan kori yakni kes insayo sen ke report adin ba ila deben kori kene kam
Menteri Sarkar ka Jelau ba el heg ula ong ba President Bethamai ka Meghalaya BJP u rekam moment ula lecture Delhi haringkat ka thup kerteng ban yo jing banjur na kinong elam ba hajrong halo kriti senshar jong ka executive committee Bethamai ula ong ba kinong elam ba halor kin sa shimrai hebe day bat ka executive committee Bethamai aba pai sha u kertong ka election MP banwan u ba heg ula ong ba kidon laingot ki kertong bat ka seng kan sarai ya u kertong u biang tam na ka benta ka Shillong parliamentary constituency.
I spoke to the new elected president. He is on the way to Delhi with the list for sending the list for the approval. Then after the approval of the national leader, they are going to publish in the name of the new state executive member of BJP. I don't know the other name, including my name, the 3 candidates. I don't know who are the 2 names. So we'll see among the 3 names who will be the best choice for contesting for Lok Sabha seats from Shillong parliamentary constituency.
Ka SBI Bank ha betasing ka badon hapo uput usam jong ka betasing block Southwest Garo Hills kelamat ia ka jingwan tu jong kinong kenshow pisa ka belabu jing ia kinong tray ka bank kat kum ka kai pot ka kedau ba kinong tray security guard ki belabat ia la ki lati ki la perking ia ka jingwan rung ki pat ba baik lala ban penjai-jai ki pat ba kani ka jingja kelawan ra jing sngo khia ha ka be dei bat ka shong suk shong sngan da ka bakerpat iki bo penyat ban shim khia mardor halo ka tei ka benta Lakon kema ubadai chairman jong Joint Action Committee ka bakentup ya ka Nehuta ka Nehusa bat ka Nehusu kila kantok persya yo Vice Chancellor ka Nehu Professor PS Chukula baw lapen kenyi ki kendon tungkam tungjam ha ka batung ya Rohit Prasad kum technical advisor kat kum ka jingong jong ulakon kema ha ka kaipot jong ka RTI ka penpaw ya shibun ki jing bombyang ha ka rukom tungkam ka balong ka jingya light na ki kendon bat ki an jong ka school ba kawai na ki jingya pair bala pensyai da ulakon kema ka dei ka jing bom penmi ya ka jing penna light kam ha ka be dei bat ka tei ka kedan ka bala kadau haneng
He has seriously violated, and this clause 11 says, and I will just read the relevant portion and we'll give you a copy so that you can really go through it after we finish. It says, number 11, it says the procedure to be adopted for recruitment. And number 1, issue of advertisement. And he very conveniently misled the public of Meghalaya to say that he has followed the model CRR. He basically went just by reading that appointing authority is the Vice Chancellor. But he forgot that appointing authority doesn't mean you are the selection committee.
Ka Neutrep Integrated Territorial Organization lani hitu Hari Bohoi District kala thep ya kajing ujor hau Deputy Commissioner ka Bohoi District bandawa banle AA kat kum ka an persya igitu ki basya keno don kti ha ka bandawa pisa ngi kali ki bekit ya ki siar ki betemu ban shalan Meghalaya da kajing senran lang ke dekot ka seng working president ka hitu uba ban pensyai umba uladon kajing temu ban kendu yo Deputy Commissioner ka Bohoi ban IT hi daladia ya ka shiti jung ujor Henry nakidaw bom la kiare ka shiti la IT klem da kendu ya UDC. Abakran halo kene ka benta uba ban pensyai ula banjur ba ka seng ka kentu ya ki bo penyak district ban kmi marmar halo kene keman.
HITO Bohoi District harangkat kajing senran lang jong ki member jong ka kumu presiden jong ka HITO Umden area minta kasni lawan ban submit ya ki darkas HUDC hansim jongi kene ka isu ka ba ki don katto kene ngut ki briu sim kabu hapo bernihan hagabai dei bat kajing lum pisah ka jong ki hadu laipo hajar ka wai ka kali siar te kumta ngi nakliang jungi ka HITO mentangi lawan ban bu kene ka city hangne harikan in ngi laburu ya deputy commissioner nangta apa superintendent of police Bohoi district.
World Health Organization kala itu ya kajing la jong ke India ban penduna ha kajing don ki nong pang TB da khat riu nak shispa bat ban penduna ha kajing don jong ki bayap pang TB da khat pra nak shispa ausnam ahajar arpuar nadu usnam ahajar khatsan ka World Health Organization kala pelat ya ka Global TB Report ahajar apulai nen kesengi ka ba pensisha ba ki India kala la banyak chakmat ban lap ya ka jingpang bat ban penkela ya ka jingwan len shop ka kelam COVID khat khandai halo ka TB program layatu ba ka jingla ban ai jing sumar kala kieu sha ka prapo nak shispa ka jingdon jong kinong pang TB ka balong ka jingkieu palat da khat khandai nak shispa hanus nam balalen mentapan inyepet ya kajing long juman ka sumeneng hasilong kajing shit ka long R4.1 degree Celsius bat kajing kriat ka long 10.1 degree Celsius kajing skam gau hau ka long san pundriun shispa men step ban riu pundriun shispa janmien kala abandon kajing hap slap ka ba malu mala hasilong ba ki jaka ba marjan shaban poi shi bakut jong thup khubon ni pe biang sa sian ya kini ki mat ba kong san Bata Menteri yang ketenat kamiadari ban pelaj ia kasin siau ke balai jong ke Orob Hashwa ke Diwali. On penkelai ke Fish Deal mar persyak ke St. Edmunds ya ke Aqua Park ong uba ALHEC. Penlong Jingshong ke Lain Mengor ke North East Students Organisation Hamadan Fire Brigade Shillong. Penlong ketenat kam Karkhanarit ya ke National SC/ST Hub Mega Conclave. Bat itu ke World Health Organization ya ke jingla ke India ban penduna ha ke jingdon kinong pang TV dekat Real Shispa bat ke jingyap dekat Prana ke Shispa. Keparlok bagi tugi kubong la poish bakut jumtu kubong jingin taga janmiet haduk benishan ukila syai kesengi ha gejuk kepo kubei shiboni pi baro.